ASTI collects data from a complete set of agricultural R&D agencies in a particular country, and to this end it has developed 3 different sets of survey forms. One for government and non-profit agencies, one for higher education agencies, and one for private for-profit sector companies, which include business enterprises and public enterprises. ASTI focal points at the onset of a new ASTI survey identify a complete list of agencies involved in agricultural research in their country and then distribute the appropriate survey form to all of these agencies. Okay, let's move on to the general definition. So first of all, what is a research performer? The definition that ASTI uses of a research performer is the entity that is carrying out the research, so not funding the research. So at the onset of an ASTI survey, ASTI focal points identify a complete list of government agencies, non-profit agencies, higher education agencies, and private for-profit sector agencies that are involved in agricultural research, so those that are actively engaged in agricultural research programs. Agencies that fund agricultural research do not need to receive a survey form. Then let's move on to the next definition. What is included under agriculture? ASTI uses the FAO definition of agriculture, which comprises not just crops and livestock, but also items like forestry, fisheries, natural resources, and the socio-economic aspects of agricultural R&D. We also collect data from institutions involved in on-farm storage and processing, but off-farm food processing R&D is excluded in ASTI surveys. The next question is, what constitutes national research? ASTI aims to collect data from agricultural R&D agencies involved in a particular country. So only those agencies involved within agricultural research at the national level should be included in the ASTI survey. International agencies conducting agricultural research within a particular country, such as CGIAR centers or any other foreign bodies, do not need to receive a ASTI survey form. Neither do activities that are conducted at a very short term, so very short-term development projects that perhaps are funded by certain donors and that only cover a couple of months, are not considered national agricultural research and can be excluded from our survey forms.